Hi there, this is David from US GPS Trackers. This is a quick tutorial on using the mobile app with your US GPS device. By this time, you should have received your username and password via email, and then you'll receive the link to download the app there. The name of the app is either X-Monitor or X-GPS Monitor. It's shown here on the screen with a blue background and a white arrow in the middle. So first thing is, we'll just go ahead and go on the app itself. When you get in there, you may not see the US GPS logo on top. You may see something else, but this is where you enter your username and your password. So you're typically going to put in your username here, and that of course is going to be your email. And then right underneath it is your password, which you should have given to you via email. We once again recommend that you change your password whenever you can, and you can do that by clicking on the Recover Password button. It's a link underneath the blue demo login link, and you'll see it just right there. But anyways, you're going to click on Sign In once you have those two parameters done. And then once you're in there, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. It's going to load for a little bit, and you may not see all your devices there. You may not see any if it's not turned on. After you turn on your device and place it on a window or take it for a test drive, you'll be able to see a bit of data of where your device is at. And to see where your device is at, you just click on the three lines on the top left, and then you're going to see your device number there. It could be like a 6, a 4, a 3, or a 0. And then all you need to do is just click on that device, and it'll auto zoom into the last known position. Again, there's a few prerequisites here. You need to make sure that your device is turned on or powered on. You need to make sure that it has an initial position, so that means taking it out for a test drive, putting it by window or outside. After that's done, then the tracker will send data over to a server, and it'll pick up an initial position, and that position will be displayed right here on your map. Alright, so the app itself is pretty simple. It doesn't have all the capabilities or features that your desktop will have, but the app is more made for kind of tracking your device and just kind of seeing where you're at on the go. The basic features here is you have this icon with a lowercase I around it. You just click on that, and you'll see different widgets here. You'll see like if the device is online or offline or in sleep mode. You'll see the model number, the location, potentially like the GSM, and the battery life. Just so you know, the battery life is under this energy card, as you can see there. The next most important thing is you do need to click on this little squiggly line over on the right of that I that we just talked about, and we're kicking it out. And this is where you see your history, or your tracks, we call it. This is the other important thing, and we'll be using on your app frequently. So you can select the interval, which is currently selected for today. You can go to yesterday, you can go to the week, or you can do a custom interval, as you can see here. After you do this, you can go ahead and actually overlay trips on your map. All you do is just you click on the trip. I'm going to click on the one here that says 902. Let's go ahead and go. And here we are. Now we can see where we went. If you want to see more tracks, you'll have to go back to the same page here, and you'll click on the next track. So I want to see 9:53 a.m. All right, and so now we can see both trips kind of overlaid on top of each other. If you want to get rid of the 902 trip, you'll just have to click on the 953, or rather 902, and it'll go away. And now you can see that one trip that you selected. After that, you'll see the one trip that's selected, and that's pretty much it. The only other kind of important thing you may want to consider is clicking on that lower icon on the right there. It's 3 squares stacked on top of each other. That's what it looks like. This will give you different map layers. So if you want to see like a hybrid view with your streets and the actual map itself, you can do that. If you want to see big instead of open streets or graphics, you can do that. There's different map providers available. You can scroll right through them and see which one you like. What's best for you? We typically recommend Bing if you're in the US. If you're outside of the US, you can use any other of these. All right, I hope that helps out. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and you have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.